everyone, my name is Fiona. Welcome to my presentation today. Have you ever had a back injury so you couldn't push or lift anything? Have you ever seen any big and heavy trash bin losing control? So today I'm going to present a project to solve all these problems. A trash remove system for apartment complex. This system is very easy to operate and gives some extra safe feature. So let me give you a little background about my claims. Joey Lamping, he's the maintenance manager for Masons and Sunset Ridge and Carlton's. He's responsible for removing trash bin from the building as it becomes full every 2 or 3 days. However, he recently had a back injury, so he couldn't make the task. Now he needs a system that moves the trash bin from the bottom of the ramp to ground level and automatically direct the bin around the curve. After seeing and meeting with my client, I brainstormed and come up with a few possible ways to solve these problems under current situations. Let's look at the scene diagram first. This will give you a general idea about what I'm going to show you next. Since the trash bin is held by City of Carlton, I got this diagram from their official website. So this is the trash bin and this is the electronic control, and the bin has to come from the bottom of the ramp to the ground level and make a slight return to avoid this electronic control. Then I have 3 designs. My first design is to apply, based on the existing utility, I apply a track system to direct the bin to the top level. My second design, I use 3 helper models underneath the cart so it can help Joey Lamping to finish his job. However, I select my third design as the best solution to solve all these problems in most effective and efficient ways. With the third, let's look at this design tables. Design detail. With the third design, I try thinking outside the comfort of the pulling systems. That the result was an idea for a push car on a guided rail that will sit behind the beam and move it up along the curve. The push car would work in conjunction with a double track system that will help to guide the beam and keep it safe on its path. After I finish the design, I use a house of quality to analyze and rank per client's priorities. What's the house of quality is commonly used in engineering consultant. It shows different scores of different components. This table shows the results of this analysis. A side-by-side comparison shows the design 3, which has the highest scores, base aligns with client's priorities. Moreover, I have also come up with a bill of material and budget to roughly show how much money we need to finish this project. I use Home Depot's price to give you average price ideas. The budget is from $705 to $905, but if the apartment complex has a used motor, we can save about $200. So let me remind some features. Let me remind you all the features about Design 3. First, it's easy to operate, require only a push of button to control the ascent and descent of the beam. The system is unobtrusive. Every part involved is behind the beam, and so it's out of way of manage foot traffic. The push car is easily accommodate the change in beam dimensions. So, in conclusion, I believe the Design 3 is the best solution because the cost effectiveness by implementing the track system and with a motor to get the beam to the top, so that not only the joint mapping can be benefit from this, but also the next operator can work under safe conditions. Any questions?
No.
Thank you.